perfect time to have peanut butter cookies. Let's preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Hello friends. Once again welcome to Yummy Treats for Yash. Today I will be making peanut butter cookies. For this recipe I will be using Dr. Oetker peanut butter. You'll find this in any supermarket in town. Friends, we need only 4 ingredients to make these cookies, and the best part is we don't need to add any flour. This is gluten free. To make peanut butter cookies, we need 1 cup peanut butter, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 1 large egg beaten, 1 teaspoon baking soda. Let's start by adding peanut butter and sugar to a big bowl. Now, I'm adding peanut butter. I will add sugar. I'm going to beat this using an electric beater. Now let me add the beaten egg and baking soda. Beat this again till it's combined well. It's combined well. Now with the help of my hands I am going to get it all together. Don't have to knead it. We only need to get it all together. Wow, it's so creamy. Looks like a giant basin laddu. I am going to make small little dumplings of equal sizes and flatten it. If you want big sized cookie, you can make big dumpling. If you want small sized cookie, you can make small dumpling. It looks like a basin laddu. I have lined the baking tray with a silver foil and now I am greasing. I have placed the dumpling on the tray. Now with the help of a fork, I'll slightly press it so it doesn't break. Make sure there's enough space between the cookies because they are going to spread and become big in size. I'm going to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Of cookies are done. Now I'll be baking the second batch of cookies. You will approximately get 25 to 30 cookies with this measurement. Friends, a quick tip. If you want your cookies to be sweet, you can add 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. If you want it sweet and salty, you can add 1/2 cup of sugar. Friends, the cookies are out of the oven. Now we have to wait till it cools down completely. Right now it's very soft and very hot. It's completely cooled now. your mom and dad, this is a perfect tea time snack. Tasting time. It's nice and crumbly and very buttery. Friends, for many more interesting recipes, please visit Yummy Treats Videos and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and see you with another interesting recipe like this. Goodbye.
Friends, it's very nice. Try this at home, you'll love it. Bye.